أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ألا تقاتلون قوما نكثوا أيمانهم وهموا بإخراج الرسول وهم بدؤوكم أول مرة أتخشونهم فالله أحق أن تخشوه إن كنتم مؤمنين.
Will you not fight a people who violated their oaths, and planned to exile the messenger, and initiated hostilities against you? Do you fear them? It is Allah you should fear, if you are believers.
قاتلوهم يعذبهم الله بأيديكم ويخزهم وينصركم عليهم ويشف صدور قوم مؤمنين.
Fight them. Allah will punish them at your hands, and humiliate them, and help you against them, and heal the hearts of a believing people.
ويذهب غيظ قلوبهم ويتوب الله على من يشاء والله عليم حكيم.
And he will remove the anger of their hearts. Allah redeems whomever he wills. Allah is knowledgeable and wise.
أم حسبتم أن تتركوا ولما يعلم الله الذين جاهدوا منكم ولم يتخذوا من دون الله ولا رسوله ولا المؤمنين وليجة والله خبير بما تعملون.
Or do you think that you will be left alone, without Allah identifying which of you will strive, and take no supporters apart from Allah, His Messenger, and the believers? Allah is well aware of what you do.